Hi, welcome to my channel. Right here, no road, no problem. And my wife said, I want a steering wheel. And she got this one. I said, okay, go ahead. Just make sure there's 6 bolts. Let's take it out. So she found one. And this looks better than my steering wheel, honestly. So this is her old one. And now we bought this. Well, how much it cost you? Like less than $100.
Yeah, like 86 bucks.
And we noticed this. This is a horn. So I'm checking, but our horn and this car, this Gokart, has it over here, all the way over here. So there's a problem. So when we're driving, it's like we see something, we need to look for it, especially when it's dark. We cannot even see where to horn. So we took it out. So this is a cable. It has 2 cables. See this one? A light gray and a dark one. We took it out. Now we're gonna do is put the steering wheel right here. But before we do it, we're gonna connect this one. So one is gonna go right here. And the other one is gonna go right here. Then we're gonna place it right here, right in the middle. So we put the steering wheel, put all 6 in there. We put the horn. Now we're gonna do, if you see right here, the square one will be the positive. Where we take out the horn will be the positive, will be the light one. What color is this? Right?
Like mint.
Like mint. This will be positive. That's gonna go with this square one. Now we're gonna connect it through here, pass the cable behind the steering wheel, and connect this cable. We're gonna attach it. First of all, we're gonna need a red cable for positive. Red means positive, black means negative. Or you can even use for negative, you can even use ground. So we're gonna put this one right here. So to fit it in there, we're gonna twist it. Once it's twisted, you put it inside. I'm gonna twist it. I'm gonna put it right here inside, or just put it right there on top. You see how it's connected? Now we're gonna tie it. There we go. Then this little red one is to cover it, so water will not affect it. Next, we're gonna use a heat gun. We're gonna heat the one that we did only.
Is this something in your fingers?
Nah. Para saber, now it's small. En Spanish es rojo, significa positivo. Negro significa negativo. Como ves aquí, ahí está el horn. Este es el que yo quité. So this one I took out the cable from the back. This one goes in the back. And connect the red ones. Desconectamos este. Ahora vamos a, el claro es rojo, es positivo. Ahora lo vamos a conectar de este lado. Este es positivo, el cuadrado. Para hacer eso vamos a pasarlo por atrás. We're gonna connect the red one. The square one means positive, so we're gonna pass this cable through behind the steering wheel. Yeah. So lo que estoy chequeando es darle una vuelta si se va a enredar el cable, y del otro lado la otra vuelta. So what I'm doing is turning the wheel. If the cable is gonna get stuck, or if it's not gonna get stuck, it will be good. So far I see it's good. So what I'm gonna do next is cut it where the length that I wanted. Ahora veo que el cable está bien. Lo que voy a hacer es cortarlo y ya después de conectarlo. So ahí va. Ya agarramos lo largo que queremos el cable. So to cut the cable, we're gonna make a little loop with the plier. Con esta pinza cortarlo. Okay, looks like it's good. Ahora vamos a usar, ven aquí, vamos a usar el 14. Es para este rojo. Vamos aquí, el 14. Vamos a dar, y le vamos a dar vueltita, y luego de ahí para arriba. Vamos a poner primero el condón. No creo que se llama condón, pero vamos a poner este plástico. So right now we put in this string plastic, and then we're gonna put this one. Este es el conector, o en inglés connector. I'm gonna put it right here. I don't know, you see the cable? When it's in there, now we're gonna tie it in. Lo que vamos a hacer ya cuando le pones esto, lo vamos a apretar aquí en el medio. No lo hagan tan fuerte porque mira cómo quedó, mira. De la fuerza del Hulk. Okay, we'll do it again.
No, eat it.
Eat it.
Take it home.
Okay. So, lo vamos a apretar, siguiendo apretando. Creo que voy a comprar unas nuevas pinzas. Estas ya no aprietan. Okay. Continue. Okay, now that it's tightened. Voy a agarrar otras pinzas. Coming back. Ahora ya cuando pusimos el cable, vamos a poner este rojo arriba del otro. Ahora, now that we have it, we're gonna put this red one, and we're gonna heat it up. So, calentar el cable, que se agarre bien. Ahí está. So after we strengthen it, you know how it looks. It should be looking like this. And there it is. That's how it's supposed to look. Next we're gonna put electric tape to cover it, and that should be good. Next we're gonna do the negative. That will be this one. The one that looks like that will be negative. And for the negative, we're gonna use ground cable because Home Depot is the only long one that they had. So this could work as a negative. Dark cable will be negative, and we're gonna use ground for negative. It's supposed to look like that. To cover from the water to not go through. So ya cuando tengas esto, vas a poner este plástico arriba. Then we're gonna use a heat gun. Ahora vamos a calentarlo con la pistola. The same exact thing as the other one. Just pass it through behind the steering wheel, and once we have it, we're gonna make that loop, and we're gonna cut it. Now you see this one is flat. See how it's flat? For that one, we're gonna need something like this. That one is too. Click. Put it right there, and it will connect. Para este, vamos a usar diferente. Va a ser uno que es conector para esto. Lo vamos a conectar aquí. Lo vamos a apretar. Y luego vamos a poner este arriba. Y luego lo vamos a calentar. So, ahí va. Primero darle vuelta que esté bien junto para que no se enrede. Y metemos este. Y luego con la pinza apretarlo. Ya cuando está ahí, está bien, le vamos a dar. Y luego conectar este acá adentro. Oye, y ahora que está conectado vas a poner este azul.
That's how it connected? Not all the way?
No, de güey, ese se queda.
Ah.
Ahora para que tapar este cable, fierro, vamos a taparlo así. To cover this metal, or we're gonna use this blue one to cover it. From there, we're gonna use the heat gun. Ahora vamos a ver si funciona.
Hey, got it.
Vamos a ver si da la vuelta. Ahí está. Ahora para que no se vea feo, le puedes